So I'm gonna record a short video on use geometric sequence formulas. By the way, I do want to say that one that is called use arithmetic sequence formulas is very similar to what I'm gonna show you for the geometric one. The only difference is in geometric we multiply or divide, and in the arithmetic we're adding or subtracting. Okay, so I did have a lot of questions on problems like this, where you have all this information and it's so confusing for everybody, and I get it. But what this is saying is the first term is negative 54, and to find the next term, we multiply 4/3 to the previous term. Now, I know how confusing everything is, so all you need really is to get this part and to look at this last part. So I know that my first term is negative 54, so I can write that as my first term in the sequence. And they want me to find the fourth term. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this right here at the end of all this stuff that is right here is telling me to multiply 4/3 to get the next term. So I have to multiply negative 54 by 4/3. Let me write it down in order to get the next term. So let's go ahead and take negative 54 times 4/3. Remember, I can add a 1 under, and I just can multiply across. Okay, so 54 times 4, negative 216. And then 1 times 3 is just 3. Maybe I can reduce. Yeah, I can. That's going to give me negative 216 divided by 3 is negative 72. So that's my second term, and I have to do this all the way to my fourth term. So I'm just going to do it way faster so that we don't spend so much time on the video. But I'm going to multiply negative 72 times 4/3. And that's going to be negative 96. And then one last time, because again, they want my fourth term. Okay, so negative 96 times 4/3. That's 128. Sorry, negative 128. So that's my fourth term, and that's what I'm gonna put here. Negative 128. Very good. See, I had already done a lot of examples for my students, so we can go ahead and redo the assignment so that, let me see if I can go back. Because I wanted to show you another example, because it gives you different ones. So let me pick the problem again. I didn't see that this was going to happen. It's this one, right? So it can also give you something like this, where it doesn't have both equations like the previous one did. This one is just one. This is an explicit equation. And for problems like this, and it's asking for the third term, all you have to do is substitute 3 into your n value. So I'm going to have negative 5 times 1/2 to the power of, instead of n, I'm going to say 3. Again, because I'm trying to find my third term in the sequence right here. It says third. And you can just go ahead and solve. So this is going to become 2. Negative 5 times 1/2 to the power of 2. Now 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So I'm going to put it down here. So negative 5 times 1/4. And I can add a 1 under the negative 5. That's going to be negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. And 1 times 4 is 4. So then my third term in the sequence is negative 5/4. And there you go. Those are the kind of problems you're going to see in this Khan Academy assignment. And you're going to see similar ones in arithmetic, except that you're going to be adding or subtracting over there.